Ah! Yeah, that's... I've got that image. That's awesome. Ah! Oh, Garuda. Rule number 1 of RPGs. Birds are jerks. Battle. Friendly monster. Now. There we go. Did you see the little question mark at the end, though? So it's like a happy bird. So I think it's definitely faster to go the turning end this way. Now we stay low to the ground. That's it. With the bird sounds and everything. Okay, so it really wasn't any different than the first one I had, but I'm at least in a much closer spot to Shimmering Island this time. So we are a total of... I gained 155, which means I am plus 2732 because of that detour. But I should have everything I need for the battles now.